Coming to these creative network events with Wahoo is a fantastic opportunity to meet people and have a conversation. Possibly you've noticed these people before in different events but haven't had the chance to connect.
I'm here today at the Arts and Health Marketplace. It's kind of a chance for people to get together who work in arts and health across the Bridgend Borough and kind of look at each other's work, talk together, network, meet new people.
I was part of the presentation about the Arts and Minds project and how we link people from that project into the community, so it was great to tell everybody about how we've been partnership working with other partners and creative people.
This networking event's in Newport. As a professional in arts and health, it's brilliant to sit in a room with people that I know and I've worked with and celebrate what they've achieved, but also meet new people and find new opportunities.
Then it was great then just to have a good amount of time to network with lots of different people in the room, have a cup of tea, Welsh cake, and be free to talk to whoever we needed to talk to.
Kind of great opportunity to meet with fellow professionals working in the area. Great opportunity for collaboration with other partners in the area who can help within the communities in which I work.
It was good to hear about different people's projects, and it was good to hear about different funding opportunities as well. Yeah, it's been really valuable.
So today's been great. It's been a really good opportunity to come down and meet colleagues from across the industry, but also have opportunities to share the work that we're doing and how we can all start to work together and collaborate.
So it's been a really great afternoon. The place is fantastic, really good venue for events like this and others, and the team have put on a great show. Thank you very much.
You know, networking is a good term, but it's about making those connections with different people, and from that, what projects can we put together, who can we work with, how can we best help people in our community.
And you leave feeling like there's new projects on the horizon and there's new opportunities, so we can all work to better the well-being of people in South Wales.